Hello everybody, it's Jason and welcome back to another Rust building video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Tesla coil trap based design. Now I'm going to show you the concept first and a couple of designs I made later. Now this is an automatic trap base and it is outside as well, so it's really unobvious and it's just really easy to trap some kids. So first off, you're going to need a power source of at least 120 Rust volts. This is because the 3 Tesla coils you're going to use need at least 35 volts each, which is the max amount of volts one can take, because it's capped by Rust, and that's 35 health points per second, which is insta-kill, 95 health points per second, yeah. So once you've got your at least 110-ish volts of electricity, I've used 3 solar panels, which produces 120 volts. We're going to get into the actual design of it. Now I'm going to try and make this as simple as I can, and I'll do it as slow as I can so you guys can understand easily. It is easy, but it can be difficult if you're beginning or starting off with electrics. First off, you're going to need a switch. These can be found in any crate. I mean, there's not much of a chance. You can look up the chance of a switch being found in the crate, but yeah, you can research a switch. Take the combined power output of whatever power source you're using, solar panels, small generators, wind turbines, etc. Small generators I would say are the best because you can charge a battery up and use that for when you want to trap people in, but solar panels are also very good. Once you've got your switch, you need to place down a timer and an electrical branch, sorry. Place the electrical branch and the timer down. You need to take the power output of the switch into the power input of your branch, like so. Take one of the power outputs of your branch to the power input of the timer. Now place a laser detector. This is just for show. I will show you how to incorporate the laser detector into a base design over there. But just for example, I'm going to take the second output to the laser detector, like so. So you've got your combined power output into your switch. The switch goes into a branch. The branch goes to the input of your timer and the input of your laser. What you then want to do is take the output of your laser detector into toggle on of your switch or timer, sorry, like that. That's the most complex part done. In fact, that is the complex part done. Now you want to take a splitter. Take the output of the timer to the splitter, and then the power output of the splitter to the Teslas. Like so. That's the whole concept done. All you need to do now is flick the switch. The laser detector should come on. Oh yeah, just before we do that, we need to set the time of the timer to about 3 seconds, and the branch out, you want the branch out to the timer to be 100 and, sorry, no, we want the branch out of the laser detector to be 3, like so, and then the branch out, the rest of it goes out into that. So it's going to be about 117 coming in here, 115 coming in here. So once we've done that, and we've set our time, we've set our branches out, all you have to do is trigger the laser detector, and the Teslas will continue to fire out for whatever time you've set them to. And that is the concept complete. I hope that was simple enough for you guys. And now we'll get into the actual builds. So the first build is the most simple build, the best build for cost efficiency, all you need to do is place a 2x2 or whatever and a foundation onto a vending machine for bait. Vending machine is the bait. And you can see there's 3 Tesla coils underneath this foundation, underneath this. You can only see it when I point it out or you're actually looking for it. It's really difficult to see. Obviously it depends on the level of ground as well. You can actually hide these things inside the actual foundation step, which is pretty OP because you can't see them. Now what you want to do is you want to turn on the power. See, this is the 3 motor setup I've done here. So if you turn your motors on when you're not trapping people, you can power up the battery. Turn them off when you're ready to trap people. Then turn on your power. And a hidden laser detector inside here will trigger the Teslas, and then you'll die. These Teslas actually they can be escaped from, but only if you run quickly at them and away at the laser detector, if you know exactly that it's a trap base. If you have no idea that it's a trap base, it's impossible to get away. It will kill you within about 2 seconds. It also slows your movement as well, which makes it even worse. Now the second concept is, it's the best concept, I'd say. The one I would personally use, but it is also quite difficult. For time's sake, I used a test generator, but you'd be using an actual power source. But we've got the same exact setup here with the switches, same exact timer setup, except from the laser detector is inside here. So what you would do first is you'd place your laser detector at the top of the half wall, and then floor them off. And then your Tesla coils, the way you'd place them, it should come inside, aim it just here and keep on jumping until this pops up and you get insta placer here. Now I'll do a quick demo of this one. That was me on 70 or 60 HP, and as you can see again, I am pretty much insta-killed. Teslas do not take in effect any armor or anything like that, so if I was wearing full armor instead of a weird bunny costume, I would be just the same death, as you would say. Now sometimes this one needs just a quick flick reset like this, and it works again, but it's completely automatic, especially if it's fed by solar panels. You can just leave it on, and it'll only trap in the day, which is the only downside I'd say to this. But as you can see, running in like this, sometimes it needs resetting, but sometimes it'll set off and sometimes it'll kill you. If you get the placement of the laser detector right, it should pick up on the person every time and kill them every time. But that is the OP Tesla trap base design. Probably will be nerfed soon. Special thanks to Lincoln, the owner of New Horizons, the server I'm playing on now. He helped me with the timing aspect of this. So thank you guys for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.